So, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, ngayon ang gagawin natin ngayon guys ay DIY taillight. So, first step natin gawin guys. Kita mo ito guys, may mga linya. Pattern yan guys. So, gamitan nyo na pentel pen at saka ruler. So, ganun lang guys. Kailangan pang tayo. So, ito dito guys. Ito. Diyan. Gitna. Tapos pabalik dito. Tapos dito. Gamit tayo ng electrical tape guys. So, kailangan natin paano ito ang gilid. Labas na lang.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end.
Tapos next, ito na naman tayo.
But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights.
So, follow nyo lang yun. Lagay nyo na.
Stockholm lights, the Stockholm
Ayan, sa kanan
lights.
guys.
I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Ayan, pagkatapos. Kabila naman guys.
The Stockholm lights. A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
Ayan.
And
Ayan guys,
if it's
okay na kami na.
not enough,
Oh, hindi pa.
I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
Oops.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Tutol dito guys.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds are beginning in the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up.
So,
The
ayan.
world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Ayan guys. Diyan na. So, pagkatapos dyan guys. Okay. Lagyan natin dito guys. So, dito kaya lagyan natin yung zero. Ayan. Kailangan takpan natin dito
I'll
guys.
see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights.
So, dito naman ulit.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. Didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
Yan, yan. So, hindi na makita yung red.
Doesn't matter if it's true.
So, sa kabilang
Got a
guys.
feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Ayan, takpan natin yung color red guys.
tomorrow feels a year away. Like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So yan guys, kabit na natin yung yan, push natin yan, isa yan.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
Hindi na to kailangan na shoes blue. So
It
dito,
doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we like. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch my photos. Where you
yung
go,
second naman dito naman.
twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Pantay guys. Pantay. So pagkatapos niyan, ito naman kaya.
Like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again.
So yan. So yun pa rin ang gagawin natin. Tutuloy natin ito. Ito.
The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
Yan.
I wanna take it all
So,
in,
yun
I'm
na. So, lagyan na natin ng electrical tape.
cityscape by night, wanna catch my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Yan. Tapos na yung pangatlo naman guys. So kuha tayo dito.
The Stockholm lights. A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
Yan, kailangan pantay guys.
It doesn't matter
Okay,
if
so,
it's true. I've got
tulas.
a feeling love will give
Yan.
us what we like.
So, tuloy natin. Yan.
The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if if it's not enough, I
So,
wanna
yeah.
see the stuff the world has got in
Buwan
store.
muna tayo ng electrical tape.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in
So,
store.
yan guys, tingnan natin.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I
So, yan na yung ginawa ngayon guys.
Stockholm lights,
So,
Stockholm lights.
salamat. Dito lang muna. Tapos yung video natin guys. God bless.